Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're having an amazing day, and today I'm bringing you guys the first upgrade video for my DJI Spark. Okay, so first upgrade, we've got these antenna range extenders. They say for the MAVIC Pro, but it's the same remote. The MAVIC Pro and the Spark have the same remote, so it doesn't really matter. And as you can see, it comes in silver and gold, and it looks like I got gold. I don't think it matters. I think silver would have looked cooler, but let's get this opened. Okay, so immediately the actual range extenders. Set the box aside. So they're pretty compact, as you can see. They fold up, and obviously you can fold them out like that. And I'll put them on in a minute, but as you can see, it's just kind of reflective, and it helps with the range. And as I'm gonna get into the other stuff in the box, we've got some sort of cleaning cloth. I feel like these come with a lot of things. I guess I'll use that, I'm not sure. And the instruction manual is the last thing in the box. And it looks like it is in a different language. Oh, never mind, here's English. Alright, so it basically shows you how to use it, but I already know how to use it. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how to put these range extenders on. So basically, grab your remote and you want to angle your antennas up about this much. Just depends on your flying conditions. And then, super simple, you just slide them over the antennas. And as you can see, they just fit perfectly. There's super easy, and that's it. And that'll help you get super long ranges. And now the second and final upgrade for today is the RC Geek OTG cable. And the reason you want to get this OTG cable is because sometimes the Spark has disconnection issues through the Wi-Fi, just the whole Wi-Fi connections. So this bypasses the Wi-Fi, and it basically connects it straight to your phone. So as you can see, it goes from your micro USB on your remote. So I'm just gonna plug that in like that, and then you plug it in right to your phone. Okay, one thing before we go outside, actually. If you guys are wondering about the Stampede, I've been missing it. In the next couple days, I'm going to go pick up a new servo, and it'll be good as new. And the weather isn't amazing out. It's not the best lighting, but I don't want to like wait till tomorrow. I'll just get it done today, so it's not the best lighting, so don't worry about the lighting. I'm basically going to go for range and see how far I can go. I don't remember if I said this earlier in the video, but because of the OTG cable, you can completely bypass the Wi-Fi, so you don't have to go in the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Spark. You go straight into the DJI Go app and just plug the cord in, and it automatically connects. So that's awesome. I hate going to settings and changing with the Wi-Fi stuff. So right now I'm just going to get it flying. I'll show you distances I can go. I'll show you some footage from the drone itself, and yeah, let's do it. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I just went straight up 200 feet up in the air, and I'm gonna go as far as I can, and I'll show you guys when I get there.
why we hate with salt and blaze.
So my conclusion is that it can go a lot farther, I could tell. I was limited to about a mile in this area before, and now I went over a mile and a half away. So I'm pretty impressed. I can't do much because it's so cold outside and my fingers are like falling off. So I have to go inside, and I wasn't able to like screen record or show you guys the actual distance because it's just so cold and it's hard to do more than one thing at a time in these scenarios. So I'm sorry for not being able to show you guys that stuff. I tried to at the start, but then it just got too stressful. So it made it almost to 2 miles, and that's really good for this area because there's just so much interference. So if I'm out in an open field, that thing's gonna go so far, and I got no disconnection issues like I did before. No disconnections. I did get weak image for sure, which is normal when you're going super far, but no disconnections. So I think that was worth the money. And there are some more upgrades coming in the mail, so stay tuned for those. And the Stampede's almost running again in a couple days, so get ready for that too. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Roll the outro.